In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use buttons in Notion for workflow. Think of buttons as simple, reliable shortcuts that turn multi-step tasks into a single click. They're perfect for creating tasks, dropping in templates, updating database items, and jumping straight to key pages, all while keeping your workspace tidy and consistent. Start on any Notion page and type /button. Then select the button block. A blank button appears. Give it a clear name and an icon so it stands out, something like Odd Tasks with a check mark. Good naming helps you and your team understand exactly what the button does at a glance. Next, click Add Action to define what happens when the button is pressed. You can stack multiple actions and they'll run in order. Insert blocks is great for dropping in reusable text, checklists, or templates. Choose whether those blocks appear above or below the button. Then add what you need, maybe a quick checklist for a meeting or a structured note template. This keeps formatting consistent and saves time. Add page to create a new entry in a database. Pick your database like tasks and set default properties. For example, set status to to-do, add a priority, and assign the item to yourself. This ensures every new task starts with the right settings, so nothing gets missed. Edit pages and lets you modify existing entries. Use it to mark tasks as complete. Move items to a new stage or update a due date. It's especially helpful for bulk updates when combined with a filtered view, because the button will apply the same change consistently. Show confirmation adds a safety check before anything happens. If your button makes big changes, like editing multiple pages, turn this on so you get a quick "Are you sure?" prompt. It helps prevent mistakes. Open Page simply takes you to a specific page, such as your main dashboard or a weekly review. It's handy as a final action, so after creating or updating items, you land exactly where you need to continue working. You can drag and drop actions to set the order they run. For example, confirm first. Add a page, insert a checklist. Then open your dashboard. Sequencing lets one button update multiple databases and content blocks in a smooth flow. When everything looks right, click Done. Test the button to confirm it behaves as expected. And tweak the actions or defaults if needed. Over time, you can duplicate and adapt buttons for different projects to standardize your workflow. Thanks for watching.